Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add Dunkin gift card to app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To add a Dunkin gift card to Dunkin app, first what you need to do is head over and open up your Dunkin app, then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once logged into your account, on the top left corner of the screen you'll be seeing your three horizontal bar. Simply tap on that, and then among the options you'll find an option that says add or manage cards. Simply tap on that. Now once you're inside here, be sure to be selecting the Dunkin cards option, and then under it you'll find an option that says add a Dunkin card. Simply tap on that. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do is enter your gift card number and pin found on the back of the card, then tap on add to confirm. Then once added, your gift card balance will be available in the app. When ordering, select the gift card as your payment method. For in-store purchases, tap on scan, which is on the home screen of the app right here, and then let the cashier scan your QR code. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.